Jean was a bit of a mess when I first met her. She was a 50-some-year-old grandmother who had basically lost the ability to move. She had been diagnosed with fibromyalgia. She was to the point with her pain where her clothes hurt to wear them. And that left her pretty much in a bed or in a chair all day long when she used to be a person who was very active. Now, we then took that information into our examination, identified what was going on in her spine and her nervous system, and then she began a care plan. During that care plan, it was phenomenal to see her come back to life. She was able to get her movement back. The pain melted away, and she was able then to even walk to our clinic. She lived here in town. She was walking to our clinic within 3 months of starting care. And this was a woman who loved taking time with her grandkids. She had stopped doing that because of the activity and how painful that was. She loved walking to do her daily things around town. She had stopped doing those things, and she got all of those things back because we identified what was going on with her spine and her nervous system and allowed her body to work the way that it's designed to work, which is to express health. And it was an amazing thing to see this woman get her life back. So those are the sorts of things that chiropractic can do to help us dial back into our health fundamentals, movement being one of those things. Because once we stop moving appropriately, and certainly once we stop moving at all, our health goes downhill in a hurry. I'm Dr. Chris Grier. If you're not moving optimally, think about what you could do to maybe improve that just a little bit today, and see if chiropractic care is something that comes to mind when you think about that. Enjoy your day.